These guys got my store up and running from start to finish, and the result was mind-blowing. Hi. Thumbs up to Apans Srivastavar and his team, including Manisha Rautela from the CedCommerce. These guys got my store up and running from start to finish, and the result was mind-blowing. My name is Chooks, and I manage the Zen Boutique. I turned to the CedCommerce for my store development. The team offered me comprehensive services ranging from overall store setup, full design, digital marketing account creation, customer support services, and all the rest. I can only say that I am glad I did, because they met and exceeded all my expectations. Thanks to the CedCommerce for an outstanding shop design. They are highly recommendable, and I am ready to work again with them. Thanks and bye.